This is the battery I got from Amazon. It costs $30. Before purchasing the new battery, I checked my current battery type and charger to see the specs so I could determine what kind of battery I needed. In addition to the battery, I needed 2 new cables. On one end of the cable, it has a Y adapter to hook up to the existing battery. On the other end, it's just a battery terminal adapter that you hook up to the new battery. Here I'm just showing you the battery close up, 12 volt, 8 amps per hour, rechargeable. Something to remember is when you hook up the new battery and the existing battery need to match very closely in voltage. This battery was 12.88. My existing battery was charged overnight and it's probably around 13. Not even gonna check, so we should be good to go. This Jeep comes with a remote control. It's really fun, but I'm gonna get it out of my way for now. I had to scrape off the glue that was holding down the existing cables. One of them came off pretty easy. The other one was kind of hard to get to, but these have to be removed so I can slip on the new cables with the Y adapter. And the cables that I'm pulling off now will also slip over the Y cable. If you're wondering if you need an additional battery charger for the second battery, you do not. The charger that came with the Jeep will also charge the second battery. All you have to do is plug it in, let it go overnight.